how's everyone doing today? Today I'm doing a Disney Doorables Technicolor opening. There could be either 2 or 3 in here. It says 60 to collect. Sparkly glittery eyes. And these are the ones that are in there. Zootopia, it'd be cool to get the 3 that I'm missing. I already have Stu Hops and Frou Frou. 101 Dalmatians, it'd be cool to get all but Pongo, which I already have. The Rescuers, I have Orville. Fantasia, it'd be cool to get Peter Pegasus. I have Madame Apanova and Sorcerer Mickey. Elemental, it'd be cool to get Wade. I already have Ember, Bernie, and Gil. Finding Nemo, it'd be cool to get Peach. I already have Gargoyle, and Bubbles. Tangled, I have Flynn Rider and Maximus. Peter Pan, I have Tooties and Slidey. Princess and the Frog, I have Charlotte. Special Edition, I have Tigger, Olaf, and then Cheshire Cat. It'd be cool to get the rest. And then Limited Edition, it'd be cool to get those 2. Doorables Technicolor. Doing this one. Oh, cool! Another one of those 101 Dalmatians. She's so pretty. Yay! One of the ones that I said I wanted. So yay! So that one is Perdita. I believe that's the mommy and daddy that I have. A clown guy from Tangled. What's his name? His name is Ulf. Out of the 2, I have to say that Dalmatian is obviously my favorite. What about you guys? You want to leave me a comment in the comment section which one was yours? And the code for this one was 345-3SK01AM024. And if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe with the bell on. Thank you.